To make a video collage on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. Tap the plus sign to begin creating a new post. Next, select the photos and videos you want to include in your collage by tapping on them. You can choose up to 10 photos and videos from your camera roll. Once you have selected your media, tap Next to proceed to the editing screen. Here, you will see a layout icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the layout icon to access Instagram's built-in collage feature. Choose a layout that suits the number of photos and videos you have selected. You can choose from a variety of layouts, including grid and frame options. After selecting your layout, you can adjust the size and position of each photo and video by dragging and dropping them. You can also add filters and edit each photo and video individually by tapping on them. When you are happy with your collage, tap Next to proceed to the caption screen. Here, you can add a caption, tags, and location to your post. Finally, tap Share to post your video collage to Instagram. Your post will be visible to your followers, and you can also share it to other social media platforms. To make your video collage more engaging, consider using a mix of photos and videos, and experimenting with different layouts and filters. You can also add music to your post by tapping the music icon at the top of the editing screen. By following these steps, you can create a unique and engaging video collage on Instagram that showcases your photos and videos in a creative and visually appealing way.